Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayu Oktaliani Siregar, NPM F0S023044. The assignment on this topic is to make a video about the history of the English language, which was discussed in the previous lesson. English is an international language used to communicate around the world. There are even several countries that make English the official language or main language. So, do you know the historical origins of the English is an international language? Encyclopedia Britannica report 2050 English, which originates from England, is the dominant language in several countries in the world: United States, Canada, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, and various island nations in the Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. English is the dominant and official language. There are also countries in Asia and Africa such as India, the Philippines, and Singapore. It is estimated that there is a world population of about 2 billion people who use English. This status makes English the global lingua franca. The era of exploration marked the beginning of the spread of English beyond the borders of the British Isles, namely in the country. In the 50 years to 60 years countries by colonial countries, namely Spain, Portugal, France, England, and the Netherlands. Colonialists not only applied their culture, laws, institutions, politics, but also their language. The Netherlands lost to England in the 7 years country giving up its American colonies between Franca and England began and resulted in the collapse of the French colonial empire and the near expulsion of the French from America. The British Empire it at the great spread to the every country in the world and ruled over one-quarter of the world population. English gaining influence around the world. English English is widespread globally in and is closely related to English as a lingua franca. English not to be used as the lingua franca only in certain regions, local ELF, but to ELF to a global level. An important point in making English the world's lingua franca is the large number of people around the world who speak or understand English. English as a lingua franca. English as a lingua franca. Lingua franca means the common language used to communicate between people who do not share their first language. A lingua franca is a contact language used among people who do not share a first language and is commonly understood to mean domain and or subject language of these speakers. Defining English is a lingua franca. Number 1. English as a lingua franca functions on two different levels. on a local level and on a global level. Number 2, English as a lingua franca functions on the local level as a language uniting people of one country in which various languages are spoken by its population. Number 3, the global level on which ELV functions as a communication tool among people from different countries of the world is truly immersive. Immersive. ELF versus English as a foreign language. ELF and English as a second language. ESL. Number 1, English as a second language. ESL includes speaker of the outer circle, where the speaker acquired English as their second language as a complement to the first language. Number 2, English a foreign language. EFL includes speaker of expanding circle and refers to the language used and acquired by foreign language speakers in countries where English is not commonly spoken and therefore a foreign language. Number 3, ELF is ENL English as a mother tongue communication level of English similar to a native speaker and using both native and non-native English speaker.